Senior Taiwanese man diagnosed with listeriosis hospitalized for treatment. TAIPEI, Taiwan News, the Taiwan Centers for Disease Control, Taiwan CDC, Tuesday announced one new confirmed case of listeriosis, which is also the first case confirmed in Taiwan since listeriosis was recently listed as a notifiable disease. In late December 2017, an 80-something-year-old man who resides in central Taiwan sought medical attention after developing symptoms, including fever and vomiting, Taiwan CDC said, adding, subsequently, he lost consciousness and entered into a coma. Listeriosis was later confirmed after the hospital reported the case to the competent authority for laboratory testing. As of now, the senior citizen has gradually been recovering and is still being treated in the hospital, the agency said. According to the epidemiological investigation, the case cooked mostly his own meals. Prior to disease onset, he had consumed self-made canned fish by curing raw fish, the agency said. However, the source of infection is still being investigated. According to the past surveillance data compiled by Taiwan CDC, the majority of the listeriosis cases confirmed in Taiwan are elderly aged above 65, followed by people aged between 45 and 64 and a few cases of mother-to-child transmission. At the moment, there is no vaccine to prevent listeriosis and the severity of the disease depends on the case's immunity, the agency said. People with a healthy immune system are less likely to acquire listeriosis or merely experience gastrointestinal symptoms such as diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting, according to the agency. However, the elderly people, the immunocompromised patients, pregnant women, fetuses, and newborns are more likely to develop invasive infection, Taiwan CDC said. Listeriosis is primarily transmitted through ingesting contaminated food. In Taiwan, packaged ready-to-eat meat products have been tested positive for the bacteria. On the other hand, sashimi is also another at-risk food item. Listeria can continue to grow at 4 degrees Celsius and can only be killed through heating at a temperature over 72 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the most effective way to ward off listeriosis is to practice good dietary and hand hygiene, avoid consuming raw food, and consume only thoroughly cooked beef, pork, poultry, fish, and vegetables, the agency said.